Video, we'll talk about how to use all the different tools in order to post your work. The first one is photo. You can take a picture. Once you've taken your picture, you can add text. And you can click it and drag it around. You can add audio, so you'll click start recording. It will then record. You have up to 5 minutes to do that. Click done when you're finished. Start recording. It will then record. You have up to 5 minutes to do that.
You have up to 5 minutes to do that.
So it's going to load. And there are the first two. So that is take a picture and record. I'm going to click on the add again. You then have a drawing feature here. So it's going to create a blank slate. And then you can draw. Once you're finished drawing, just like last time, you can do a text box. You can do an audio so you can explain exactly what you drew. You can upload a picture. You can add a fun background. Or shapes. Add a little shape if you want to add a little text box. Make it bigger. It's up to you on how you want to do that. Just like usual, once you're finished, go ahead and click on the little checkbox and it will add. Everything you're posting will add to your journal under your name. Next, you can do a little video. So you can get it ready. Click on one of the green buttons. You can turn it around if you want. You can upload a picture if you want. So if you've taken a picture recently, so I took a picture of my puppy. And I can label it. I can use any of these fun features on the side and then upload it. I can also add notes. So if we are learning about something new and I want to type in a note, I can go in here and say, once I'm finished writing my message, I'll click on that little green dot. I can also record what I want to say. You can also record your voice and then it will save here as well. Once you're done, click on the check and it will add to your page. The last part that you can do is add a website link. You do have to find the website first, copy the URL, and then add it before you can do that. That is all of the different creative tools that you can use in Seesaw. All of your posts all show up in the student journal, not class journal. They will be uploaded, approved by your teacher before they do show up there. The only thing that will show up in the class journal is the stuff that is assigned to you by your teacher. If you have any questions about how to use any of the tools, please contact your teacher.